వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఆన్లైన్ కూడా ఉందా? వినపడట్లేదు మీకు? మ్యూట్ లో ఉంది చేసి.
Hello, hello. Online participants, can you hear? So we'll start in 5 minutes.
Yes.
So yesterday we discussed text formulas, no?
Yes, have given the homework actually.
Everybody, are you able to see this Excel file?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the shortcut for getting the today's date?
Control plus semicolon.
Yeah, control plus semicolon will give me the shortcut for today's date. Similarly, what is the shortcut for date as well as time?
Control plus shift plus semicolon.
Yeah, control plus colon, which is control shift semicolon. That will give me the time. Shortcut for time. So if you want a function, what is the function I have to use for getting today's date?
Today.
Today function. So equal to
Today.
today. It is a no argument formula. Similarly, what is the function for getting date as well as time? What is the shortcut for getting the date as well as time?
Now.
Yeah,
Now function.
now function. So equal to, I will write here now function. So that will give me
The
date
sequence will be changing.
and time also.
Automatically,
Yeah, it will change. It's a dynamic in nature.
we need to refresh.
Right now, 45, 24. Right now it is 44. So similarly, if I have a year in one column, suppose month in one column and day in one column. If I want to club and get the date, I have the function called date function. What is the name of the function? Date function. So I will use equal to date. What is the first argument asking? Year. So this is a year, comma, month is this, comma, day is this, suppose. So this will give me the month, day, year. To club the date, I mean to club year, month and day into date, you can use date function. Is it clear? Online participants, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose here I will type today's date, control plus semicolon, I will get today's date. I want to extract from this today's date, I want to extract year, month and day. So I have year function equal to year, serial number is this. So I am getting year. Similarly, if I want month, equal to month.
Please won't say leave the cell then.
This is the date I am giving, serial number, month is 6. Yeah.
If we won't select the cell, it will come with the correct month.
No, you need to select. I am giving, this is the reference I am giving. In this,
There is no reference then.
no, you have to provide reference for without reference. How? Like I am giving reference to this cell. In this cell, today's date is there. In this cell, if something else is there, or something like 2019 is there, then I will get year is 2019. I will get. So if I want day equal to day, day of this date, I will get the day. Online participants, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
These three functions, year, month, and day.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you have a time function. You can try out. If you have hours, minutes, and seconds, okay. Hours in one column, minutes in one column, second in one column, you can club together Okay, and then get the time using the time function, just like date. You can just write, and from this time, if you want to extract hours, minutes, and seconds, you can extract using the hour formula, hour of this particular cell. Okay, in that hour is 10, I will get 10. Here minutes of that is minute of this particular cell, that I will get it as 45. Again, seconds of second of that particular cell, that will give me seconds part. Just like year, month and day, hour, minute and second. Online participants, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Similar to day, month and
Year.
just like date function, you have time function here. In this shortcut and function, what is the difference? What is the difference between a shortcut and a function?
For function, we have to give any reference, sir.
No, one is static in nature, one is dynamic in nature. That is the difference.
Okay.
Functions are dynamic in nature. That is, if you open, like suppose you have applied in one particular cell today's function and got today's date. Tomorrow, if you open the same file, you will get tomorrow's date. Okay. But if you use shortcut and if you are getting today's date today, and if you open the file tomorrow, you will be getting today's date only tomorrow also. In shortcut is static in nature. These functions are dynamic in nature. Just now we have seen for now function, I was able to change the time. Means if I just click refresh, because time is going to be changing. So here, what is the time now? 12:49:48. Right now it is 12:51. Suppose I will just click enter. So I'll get that 12:51, 15 seconds. So this is dynamic in nature. Since time I am able to change, but day for date I have to wait till today's night. Today is 23. For this today now function, if this date has to change here and here, for both today and now, I have to wait till tomorrow. Okay. For time, I am able to get it immediately. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we'll discuss this network days. Any idea about this formulas, network days and network days international?
Working days.
Suppose I will give you a project. Okay. Today you have started and then you will complete after 1 month. Suppose. How many days you have worked for this project if I have asked? Because there might be holidays in your company, like Saturday and Sunday is off, or some holidays in between. But you have started the project on 1st March, suppose. Okay, and then completed on 31st March. Okay, normally the difference, how many number of days is 31 days. Okay, that is nothing but you can just this minus this plus 1. You can do that. Plus 1 is for this 1st March also. If you include 1st March also, 31 days. But you have Saturdays and Sundays as holidays. Okay, suppose. So I will just write here network days formula. Start date is, this is the start date, comma, end date is, this is the end date. Holidays, this is optional. I will skip it right now. So how much I'm getting?
22 days.
Even though there are 31 days, I'm getting 22 days. Because Saturday and Sundays, it is considered as off here. So what I will do, I will just go to, how many Saturdays are there in this March? Sundays, how many?
5.
Total 9. So 9 means out of 31, exclude 9, you will get 22. So you are getting weekdays. That is the number of days excluding Saturday and Sunday. That is the number of days that you have worked for the project.
As per the
That holidays, let us see some holidays are there, suppose. 3rd March, suppose is a holiday, suppose. 3rd March 2026 is a holiday, suppose. Okay. Other than that,
17th.
17th, okay. 17th, I will put 17th. So this is also holiday, suppose. Now, how many holidays are there now? Other than Saturday and Sunday, how many holidays are there?
2.
2 holidays are there. So what I will do is, now again I will write network days. Start date is this, comma, end date is this, comma, holidays list is this 2. Now ideally how much number of days I will get here? 20, because from 22 if you subtract those 2 holidays, you will get 20. Is it okay? Online participants, is it okay? Suppose I will use Network Days International for doing the same thing from the 1st March to 31st March. But here, what is the difference between Network Days International and Network Days? For that, I will just type the formula. Network Days International, start date is 1st March, end date is 31st March, comma, weekend. Now I have only Sunday as a weekend. Earlier, Saturday and Sunday was a weekend. Now I will take Sunday as a weekend. For that, I have to select 11. Okay, I have to type 11. Because for Sunday only, 11 is the number. And then I will close the bracket. I will exclude the holidays. How many I am getting? 26. So let me see. Now,
5 Saturdays.
how many Saturdays are there?
4.
4.
Sundays are 5.
Sundays are 5. So how many Sundays should be excluded from 31? 5. 31 minus 5 is 26. Okay. That is the number of days. Is it clear? Suppose I have to exclude the holidays also here. These 2 are the holidays now. Network Days International. Start date is this 1st March, comma, end date is this, comma, weekend holiday is only 11, Sunday only, comma, now holidays list. These 2 are the holidays list. So how much I will get? 26 minus 2, 24. 26 is the Sunday only with 2 holidays. If I remove from 26, how much I will get? 24. Is it clear, this one? Online participants, is it clear? Network Days International and Network Days.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us understand Workday and Workday International now. Suppose I have given the project and if suppose you are taking 10 days to complete. Okay. So what is the deadline? I want to calculate the deadline. Okay. So suppose instead of 10 days, I will write 20 days to complete. This one is 20. Again, this one is also 20. So I will write here Workday here. Workday start date is this. Number of days for completing the project you take is 20. What is the deadline you are getting is 27th March. Normally, if you add 1 plus 20, you will get 21. Okay, here 6 days extra you are getting. 27th you got, na? 27th, how many are there? How many Saturdays are there?
3.
How many Sundays are there?
4.
So 3 plus 4 is how much?
7.
7. So is it correct?
20 plus 7, 27.
So 20 days means from 1st March, where you will work? This 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 days here. Okay, here
5 days.
5 days.
The entire 20 days.
Here it is 5 days. Here it is 5 days. 20 days. Okay, on 27th is completed. Is it clear?
Yes.
It is automatically taking Saturdays and Sundays and then it is pushing the date. Similarly, if you want workday international, only Sunday if you have. Workday international start date is this, comma, number of days is this, comma, Sunday only is 11. Close the bracket and hit enter. So how many I am getting? 24. Okay, only Sundays if you see.
4 Sundays are there.
So 24. So here, how many Sundays are there? He will work here 6 days here. Okay, here he will work 6 days. Here he will work 6 days. 18, 19, 19 and 20. Because all these are Sundays. How many Sundays will be there?
4.
4. Is this clear? 24 minus 4 is 20. Okay. Online participants, is it clear? This way you can include the holidays also. If you include the holidays, again date will be pushed. By how many days it will be pushed? Suppose if you include the holidays, workday, start date is this, comma, this is the number of days. Holidays, these are the holidays I will load. So why it is pushing by 27 plus 2, 29 ideally. But why you are getting?
Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, on Saturday, Sunday should have come. 27 means again 2 days this way. Okay, 28, 29, this Saturday and Sunday will be there. Again 2 days extra. It is pushing to 31. Is it clear? Online participants, is it clear?
Sir, for a holidays, we have to give the holiday dates, sir.
Yeah, you need to give the list.
Is
You
that
need-
exam?
This is example I am giving. This is the holiday list I have given.
Okay.
You need to
Okay,
give the
sir.
holiday list.
Okay.
Okay, next we'll discuss date diff. This function called date diff. The format here is, this is a format from date to date and then format. Like it is used to calculate the age. Suppose your date of birth, if you say, what is your age as on date, like 20 years, 6 months, 11 days. If you want such things, you can use date diff. Anybody tell me your date of birth? Anybody tell me your date of birth here?
29th April.
April 29th,
Will be 2050.
2001.
5.
5. Okay, so today what is the date? Control plus semicolon I will use. Shortcut. Okay. You have given any random date?
For someone's date of birth.
Someone's date of birth you have given. Okay. Let me take here something like, I will just take something else. 2001 I will take. Suppose. Same thing. 2001 I will take. Okay. I want to calculate the age as on today. Okay, suppose. If I just calculate the difference of this minus this, what I will get is,
Only days.
this is the number of days. How many days? 9186 days. So what I will do is I will just I will try to find out the age using the age calculator here. So what is the date of birth? 29th April 2001. So I will just calculate the age. That how many days that what you are getting? 919186, no?
Correct.
That one 989186. Now I want to print it in this way. So what is the age you are getting is 25 years, 1 month, 25 days. So for that I want year, month and days now. So here I have the formula, format. For the years I have to put the format as Y. If you want everything in months, I want to put it in month. If you want everything in days like this, I have to put it in days. If I want to remaining months, if you want to put YM, I should get remaining months like 29 years. Afterwards 11 months, suppose 11 months, that is the remaining months. For that I should put the format as YM. Remaining days, for that I have to put the format as MD. Okay, so now I will write the date diff formula. Date diff, it shows as no argument formula, but it's not no argument formula. You need to give this format. From date is, this is the from date, comma, to date is, this is the to date, comma. In years, if you want, format is Y. Close the bracket, hit enter. How many years? Here I was getting the 25 years, I'm getting now. So everything, if you want in months, suppose everything in months, if you want the date, diff. So the format is, this is the start date. Okay, this is as on date. I want format in months. That is M. So how many months? 301 months. Anywhere, yeah, you got here 301 months. And this is the remaining days. After the months, the remaining days part is 25 days. For the remaining days, what I have to put?
T.
I have to put MD. Okay. So everything, if you want in dates, date diff. Start date is this. This is as on date. Everything in days, just put D. So that is a 9186 days. Same thing. Is this clear? 9186 days. Just 1 minute. So similarly, if you want remaining months, date diff. Start date is this. End date is this, comma. Remaining months, I have to put MD or YM.
YM.
How many days in remaining months you are getting? 1. So 25 years, 1 month. Okay, that is what I am getting. Now again, remaining days, if you want, date, if start date is this, end date is this, remaining days, MD. So 25 days. So how many years? Like 25 years, 1 month, 25 days. If I want to club everything, what formula will give me? Which formula I can use for clubbing and then getting this way?
నేను ఆడుకునేది ఎప్పుడు బ్రేక్ లంచ్ ఉంటుంది కదా తినేటప్పుడు స్నాక్స్ తినేటప్పుడు
Just 1 minute.
మాట్లాడుకుంటాం మంచిగా పడుకుంటుంది ఇద్దరితో మాట్లాడడం కష్టం
So everybody, is it clear? Like now, if I want to club, I have to use concatenate here. Equal to concat or concatenate. So this is the number of years, comma. I will put it this in years. Since I am typing, I have to use double quotes, comma.
1
That is remaining
1 month.
month. So that should be months, comma,
Yes.
days. So here, is this okay? 25 years, 1 month, 25 days. Online participants, is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, from the dates, you can perform the following calculations. You can add days, or you can subtract days, or you can do the difference between one date to other date. Like suppose if we are adding here for this from 28th December, if you are adding 10 days, this is the projected date or future date that you are getting. And if I subtract 15 days back, what is the start date of a project, suppose that I will get. If I'm calculating the difference between two dates, that will give me the duration. Just like we have subtracted here 9186 directly from the start date and end date, I have subtracted, that is giving me the 9186 number of days. So you can only perform following three calculations using the dates. You cannot perform multiplication. Date multiplied by date, you cannot do. Or you cannot do date divided by date. Only calculation that you can perform is addition or subtraction. Like you can add number of days to a particular date or subtract number of days to a particular date, or you can do difference between two dates. Okay. Next we'll discuss this E date, which is expiry date. Suppose you have drugs like medicines where there is expiry date, like 2 years from the date of manufacturing, suppose. So for that, suppose let me here, I will just populate today's date, suppose here, control plus semicolon I am using. I'm just populating the today's date here using the shortcut. Here I am just trying to calculate the expiry date for a drug which I am manufacturing it today. Start date is this, expiry date is 2 years from now, 24 months. In months I have to give 2 years means 24 months. That will give me the expiry date. From today, expiry date of the drug will be 23 June 2028. Okay, suppose if it is 1 year, instead of 24, 12 months. That is the expiry date. If it is 18 months, I will give 18 months. That will give me the expiry date for this drug. For that formula is E date. E date is the formula. Everybody, is it clear? Expiry date. Online participants.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, next is end of month. This is the formula, which is EO month. Suppose I want to calculate the end of month for this current month. This is the start date. Okay, 23/6, that is today's date. If you put 0, okay, that is a current month 0, it will give the end of this current month. What is the end of this current month? 30th June. So you will get that 30th June. Directly it is giving me the end of month. Suppose here if I add +1, that is if I give 1, it will add 1 month here. From 23 June, it will become 23 July, but it will give the end of July. End of July is 31st July. Suppose if I give -1, it will go 1 month back. 23 June means 23 May. It will give end of 31st May. Okay, is it clear? Online participants, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
sir.
What is the formula name?
EO month.
Yeah, EO month. Next, we will have weekday formula. Suppose what is today? 23.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. So I will just write weekday here. Serial number is, I will give this date. So I want Sunday as 1, Monday as 2, Tuesday as 2, and so on. So for that I have to use format is 1. Close it and hit enter. So today is 3. Sunday is
1.
today is what is today? It is
Tuesday.
so 3 you are getting now. Is it correct?
Yes.
So you are getting correct only, na? I think in that case. Yeah. Similarly, week number, how many weeks are there in a year? 52 weeks will be there. So if you want to know the current week number, just type the today's date. It will give return the what is the current week number you are. You are 26 weeks from 1st January 2026. It will have 52 weeks in a year. So half 26 means 50% of that. Is it okay? Online participants, week number, if you want to calculate the week number. Date value is a next function. Suppose you have a text formatted date. If I want to convert into date, I can use date value. Date value of this text formatted date that will convert into date format. So 31st December 2018. Suppose do this exercise, everybody. I have dates in this format like 31.12.2029. I want to convert into this format, date format, normal date format. How to do this? Just everybody do this. I will discuss in 5 minutes. In SAP, whenever when you download from SAP, sometimes you get this type of dates in this particular format, but you have to convert into normal Excel date format. So for that, how to do that? So far, we have discussed some functions today and yesterday, text functions and date functions, time functions we are discussing. So how you make use of all these things, and then I want to convert this into date. This is a SAP ERP dates issue. So online participants, just do this. We'll discuss after 5 minutes. Online participants,
Yes, sir.
just do that particular sum. We'll discuss after 5 minutes now. So, okay, let us discuss this. So how to extract year? Which function I can use? Text formatted date. I can use a write function. Write of this is a text. How many digits?
4.
4. That will give me the year. So this is in which format now?
Text.
Text format. I should use which formula?
Value. Note that.
So that will convert into. Similarly, what I will do is I will just copy this formula. Okay, instead of write, now what I will use here? If I want month, mid formula. So I have to use mid formula here. Mid of what is this? Text is this. For what is a month? Start number, position,
4.
4. Number of digits,
2.
2. Okay, Okay, that will give the month. Similarly, if I want year or day,
Let's say. 2 digits.
left formula,
Column.
this is a text. Number of characters is 2. So you have year here. You have month. You have day. Which formula now you can use to club to get the date? We have discussed date formula today. Year, comma, month, comma, day. So directly you can convert this into date format. Is it clear? Everybody, is it clear?
Yes.
How to convert this text formatted date into the date? We have used text extraction formulas mid, left and right to extract year, month and day. And then we have clubbed everything using the date formula. Here, if you want to convert into value, if you are not getting values, you have to use value formula to convert the text formatted number to number. Online participants, is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Any doubts in the date and time formulas? Any doubts in this date and time formulas? Okay, let us discuss logical formulas. Suppose I have marks of 10 students. Cutoff is 40. If anybody has secured lower than this cutoff, I want to print fail. If he is secured greater than or equal to cutoff, I want to print status as pass. So for that, we'll use if statement, if. So equal to if. First is asking for logical test. What do you mean by logical test? Any comparison between two things, like you use greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Comparison between two things, like 10 greater than 9 or 10 greater than 25, anything. All these are comparisons. For that, here I will use this marks greater than or equal to, cutoff is, this is a cutoff. What should be the value? If it is true, I want to print pass.
Pass.
I am typing, so I have to use double quotes. If it is false, fail. I need to freeze this C4. Why I have to freeze this C4? Marks is cutoff is common for everybody. Otherwise, if I drag this formula down, C4 will become
C.
C5. So that should not happen. So I have to freeze this. Once I do this, I can just drag it to the rest of the cells. Then I will get the status pass or fail. So 22 fail, 64 pass, and so on. Everybody, is it clear? Now just do this. Here I have cutoff is sales. Here this is the actual sales and the target sales. Target is different for different persons. Like for this person, target is 57. For this person, target is 52. If the sales, actual sales are greater than target sales, I will write target met, else target not met. So how? Just write the logic. Here, one hint is target is not fixed. There the target was fixed. Cutoff was 40. Here target is not fixed. Just do this. I will discuss in 5 minutes. If the target is met, actual sales is greater than target, then in that case, target is met. That has to be printed. If the actual sales is less than target, it has to be target not met. And target is different for different persons. Just think about the logic for this. I will discuss after 5 minutes. Yeah.
ये जो शेप है सिल्वर, इसमें सारा सारा सिल्वर
I think you have been given this Excel file now in your drive.
but I can't open the driving
Just ask the front office team once. They will just give you that file if you don't have. If you still don't get, I will just give in that case.
no I can't open the driving computer.
You bring your pen drive and copy from it. Or anybody share it in the group. Okay, share it in the group. He will download.
मैंने बता मैंने फोन में कैसे करना एक तो अगर मैं व्हाट्सएप में ऑन करके वहाँ से लिंक डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं ठीक है सही मोबाइल में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं अपन जब व्हाट्सएप से भेजते हैं ना अपन तो वो एरर आता है तो वो इसमें नहीं और मोबाइल मैंने बोला था से रिसेप्शन में जो भी है तो वो तो एक लार्ज फाइल है हम लोग ईमेल नहीं कर सकते ईमेल करें तो क्या ईमेल है कि वो ईमेल आई डी ओपन करके मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ ये फाइल डाउनलोड करके मेरे पर्सनल में सेव करके रखता प्रैक्टिस करिए, कभी 10-15 मिनट ब्रेक टाइम मिला, प्रैक्टिस करो। व्हाट्सएप पर ऑन करो प्लेटफॉर्म को, स्टार्ट में जाओगे, वहाँ से डाउनलोड का ऑप्शन आता है कोई भी, उसको फिर एक्सेल में हाँ मैं भेजना पड़ेगा। नहीं मतलब पर्सनल ट्रेनिंग हो, टाइम इसका बोलते नहीं, वो इसको दिए तो ये ट्राई व्हाट्सएप में ओपन करते हैं ना, व्हाट्सएप के लिए लैपटॉप ऑनलाइन करके लैपटॉप में ईमेल आईडी कनेक्ट करने की प्रैक्टिस लेकर मैं, तो ईमेल आईडी ओपन करते थे वो ईमेल आईडी डाला, वो ईमेल आईडी ब्लॉक ऐसे ईमेल आईडी हम ईमेल आईडी जो भी काम से नहीं तो सॉफ्टवेयर लैपटॉप के साथ मैं बोलना है तो कभी कभी लेकिन अक्सर नहीं यूज कर सकती, सब तो यूज कर सकते ना, फोन में ना आएगी, मैं इसको लैपटॉप में ऑन कर सकती हूँ, तो मैं एक्सेल फाइल नहीं मेरे में यूज करते हैं, इसका इसे वो तो फाइल यूज करना काम से यूज करते हैं।
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, just 1 minute. So everybody, did you solve this? Online participants?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, so here we'll write if statement. If the actual sales is here greater than this target is, this is the target. If this is true, target met. Else, target
Not.
not met. Here I should not freeze this because target is different for different persons. Once I do this, I will drag it. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes.
Online participants, is it clear?
Yes.
Sir.
Okay, what we'll do is we'll continue the remaining part of logical statements tomorrow. We'll start with nested if tomorrow, and then IFS, and then we have AND operator, OR operator, and not operator, and if error. Those things we'll cover tomorrow. Any doubts in the today's session?
Sir.
Any doubts so far in the today's session with the date and time formulas and the logical formulas that we have discussed? If statement, basic if statement. If there are no doubts, we'll close for today and then we'll continue tomorrow. If there are any doubts, you just tell me. Otherwise, we'll close for today.
No doubt, sir.
Then we'll continue tomorrow from the remaining part of the logical formulas from the nested if statement. You practice this date and time formulas today. This formula is important. Date diff is important. Okay, and all these are also important, like workday international, network days international, expiry date, EO month. Okay, so all these. Okay, you try to solve this date also. How to convert this SAP ERP dates issue from the text formatted date into date. So we'll continue tomorrow and we post in the group whatever you have done, just post in the group. Okay, thank you.